If a coding agent could run all day on its own, no babysitting, no reprompting, no, okay, what next? You give it one goal, you walk away, and it just keeps going until the job is done. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what just dropped, and almost nobody is talking about it. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie. I'm here to help you learn AI tools and actually use them in your work. And today I want to show you something wild. There's a brand new update inside Kimi work called Goal Mode. It lets your agent run long, complex jobs on its own. Stick with me because I also tested Kimi's latest coding model inside my agent OS. And one test ended with me walking through a whole virtual world I didn't build. Let's get into it. So first, what even is Kimi? Kimi is made by a company called Moonshot AI, and they've been on a serious roll. Their newest coding model just came out called Kimi K 2.7 Code. It dropped on June 12th, 2026, and here's the part I love. It's open source. The weights are public. Anyone can grab them. Now, this model is built for one thing: coding. Real coding. I'm talking long jobs that take many steps, where the agent has to plan, write code, run it, find the bug, fix it, and check again. It's a 1T parameter model, but only a small slice fires on each step, so it stays efficient. Moonshot says it's a big jump from their last model. They reported better scores on their own coding tests and about 30% less reasoning to get there. But I'll be straight with you. Those numbers come from Moonshot's own testing, not an outside scorecard. So take them as a starting point, not gospel. And here's why this matters right now. You might have heard that two of the most powerful Claude models, Fable 5 and Mythos 5, just got pulled. The US government issued an export control directive on June 12th, and Anthropic disabled access to both. So if you suddenly can't reach something powerful, you might want a strong backup. And Kimi K 2.7 Code is one of the better open options sitting right there. Okay, so let me show you what I did with it. The first thing I did was tell Kimi K 2.7 inside Agent OS to build a game. And not a tiny one, a Skyrim-style world. I called it the Dragon Realm, and when I opened it up, I could actually move through this virtual world, walk around it, play little games inside it. It built out a whole 3D space straight out of the box with no special instructions from me. Now here's the honest part. This was just the basic attempt. I think if you gave it a proper skill on building games, it could go even further. But even raw, it spun up a Dragon Racer game, a synthwave-style banner, and a galaxy with orbiting planets. And that brings me to the big update I teased at the start. Building one thing in one go is cool, but what if the job takes hours? That's where Goal Mode comes in. Here's the simple idea. A normal prompt tells the agent what to do next. A goal tells the agent what must become true. That's the whole difference. You're not feeding it step by step. You're handing it the finish line. So in Kimi code, you type /goal, then write your objective, like fix every failing checkout test and run the suite until it passes. It saves that goal and gets to work. After each turn, it checks itself. Is the goal done? Is it stuck? Is it still going? It keeps moving until one answer is yes. The best goals name two things: the finish line and the proof that you hit it. So instead of find all the bugs, which is too vague, you say fix every bug labeled checkout, add tests for each fix, and run the test suite. One has a clear end, the other could run forever, and you can manage it while it runs. Check the status, pause it, resume it, cancel it, or swap in a new goal. You can even queue your next goals with /goal next, so when one finishes, the next one starts on its own. Now, Moonshot is honest about the limits, and I respect that. Goal Mode is great for work you can actually check. Files, tests, command output, a clear report. It's not meant for a quick one-off edit, and if you give it something huge and fuzzy, it might run a long time and hand you something surprising. So point it at clear, checkable work. And here's something I built that fits Goal Mode perfectly. Inside Agent OS, I've laid out a complete 30-day roadmap, a full step-by-step plan that takes you from your very first install all the way to running long jobs on your own. Each day builds on the last, so you're never staring at a screen wondering what to do next. You open it up, see today's step, and go. Now let me pause here because I know some of you are watching and thinking, okay, this is a lot. How do I set this up without messing it up? That's exactly why the AI Profit Boardroom exists. The whole Agent OS system I keep showing you, you can grab it inside as a complete zip file, ready to install. You don't have to build it piece by piece from scratch. We hand you the full setup, the Kimi Code plugin, the memory vault, all of it. And we run live coaching calls where you can share your screen and ask, hey, my goal mode keeps blocking, what did I do wrong? And get a real answer. So if Agent OS is the kind of thing you want running this week, that's where I'd point you. All right, let me show you a couple more things I tested. The second thing I did was tell Kimi K 2.7 inside Agent OS to run through a tool called Hermes. Hermes lets you set up separate profiles for different models. So I made one profile that runs Kimi K 2.7 and another running a different model from China that just dropped. The cool part is I can chat with both, and each keeps its own history. I even tested how fast Kimi replied. I asked it a quick question, just, "Are you here?" And it came back in about 7 seconds. So it's not instant, but 7 seconds for a model this capable is perfectly fine for real work. The third thing really opened my eyes. I plugged Kimi code into Agent OS through the coding plan, so everything I build lives in one place. Then I wondered, can Kimi make images too? So I gave Kimi K 2.7 inside Agent OS, the Chat GPT image model as an image API. And from there, it could just build things out, images and all. It made fun little games. It even built a web-based drum studio that was a blast to mess with. So that's the trick. Kimi handles the building, and by feeding it an image tool, it can pull pictures into whatever it makes. And if you want an alternative to Claude right now, this is a solid pick. There's nothing wrong with using it. Oh, and one more thing I love. Every project I make gets saved into a memory inside Agent OS. It lives in an Obsidian vault, so nothing gets lost. I can go back, look at what I built, and pick up right where I left off. Now let me leave you with a few quick tips if you're just starting out. First, start small. Don't hand goal mode a giant fuzzy job on day one. Give it something clear and checkable, like fixing one set of failing tests. Second, always name your finish line. The agent does its best work when it knows exactly what done looks like. Third, use the pause and status commands. You're still in control. Check in anytime, pause it, or swap the goal. And fourth, save your work into a memory setup like that Obsidian Vault. Future, you will thank you. So that's the update. Kimi K 2.7 code, open source and powerful. Goal mode, which lets your agent chase a real finish line on its own. And a few fun ways to push it, all running inside Agent OS. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 75,000 members who are crushing it with AI. And look, if you're about to go try this yourself, let me be honest about what's coming. You'll hit a moment where your goal blocks and you won't know why, or your objective is too vague and the agent stops early, or you'll wonder which permission setting is safe to leave running while you step away. That's normal. Everybody hits it. The difference is how fast you get past it. And here's the shortcut. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, you can grab the entire Agent OS system as a ready-to-install zip file. The same setup I've been showing you this whole video, handed to you, done, plus the 30-day roadmap, the coaching calls, the tutorials, and ready-to-use goals you can copy and adapt. So instead of building it all from scratch, you install it and start running. If that sounds like what you need, come join